Hey guys, it is Neo here, and I am playing Can Your Pet because I am bored. So very, very bored. Anyways, it's late and I'm trying to be quiet, so sorry if you can't hear me that well. So, hey, I'm gonna name it Egg. I don't even know why. Just because Egg is a nice name. Oh no, that looks weird. I don't want it to be a slutty chicken. So I don't want it to be Goldilocks either. This one. That one's cute. I like that one. Wait, what's random custom? That looks weird. No. What the hell? That looks weird. Yeah, I'll just have that one. And skip by then. Because I like that eye. Yeah, the tie. Two freckles. Yeah, I played this game before. I saw Birdie play some of it. And I didn't finish it though. I don't know why. So come and eat it. Come on, eat the can. Come on, eat the can. And it ate food. I'm sorry, little chicken. I'm so sorry. Come on. Come on. Why does it take so long to show? Whatever. I'll play ball. What the? Why is no one? Um, 3 minutes in. Why are you getting hungry and dirty again? Oh crap. Eats. Eats my little chicken. Why does it eat the bag? Really? Chickens don't eat bags, they eat the seeds. They don't eat bags with pictures of seeds on top. Doesn't make it a seed. Whatever, let's go for a bike ride. What? Oh my god, what the hell? That is just strange. What's with these pictures? Oh my god. Who made this game? Why would you do something like that? What the hell? Poor little chicken. I'm sorry, Egg. Little Egg. Yeah, anyway. I think I should stop the video before I start playing. I'm sorry. Leave. Rate, comment, subscribe. Although I don't know how killing a chicken will get me any subscribers. I'm so sorry. Ow, I just hit my head. Okay. Anyway. Goodbye. See you later.